almost got fired from my gig on YouTube. Sure, I almost forgot question 5.3. I saw that when I watched this and I thought, sure, I don't want you guys to chastise me. So let's look at 5.3. They say the concentration of hydrochloric acid is hydrochloric acid solution rather is 2 moles per cubic decimeters, right? They said calculate the concentration used in experiment 2. Now remember, in experiment 2, what did we do? We had 15 cubic centimeters of the hydrochloric acid used in experiment 1, and we now diluted it by adding 50 cubic centimeters of distilled water, right? So that means what I'm going to do is use my C1V1. Okay, remember, every time we've got dilution, right, we're going to use this formula. So C1, that would be the first concentration. Remember, they said it was 2 cubic moles per cubic decimeters. Now I'm going to keep my volume in cubic centimeters. So initially, it was 15, okay? And there's nothing wrong if I keep it in cubic centimeters here, because my other volume is also in cubic centimeters. If you decide to convert it, okay, divide it by 1,000, but what you do on the left, you'll do also to the one on the right as well. Okay, so you'll see that concentration 2, which is what we're looking for. Now the volume, in this case, we added 50 cubic centimeters to the 15. So we now have 65. If you want to, you can divide by 1,000. But as I said, it's not really going to make a significant difference. So I'm just going to keep it as 65. And I'm going to keep this as 16. All right, so which means our new concentration now. Okay, so this will be 2 times, okay, so let's say 2 times 15, that's 30, divide by the 65. And so our concentration will be 0.46 moles per cubic decimeters. Okay, right, so that's how we'll get the new concentration of the hydrochloric acid solution. All right, please just note that. Apologies that I'd forgotten that. All right, so let's move on to the next question.